Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Luxe, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this Smartband from your phone. First, we need to open the Fitbit application on our phone. So let's open it. Once you open the application, you should see this page right here. Now tap on this profile icon right here to open the account menu. Then select your FITBIT Luxe from the list of devices by tapping on it. And now you should see the device page for your FITBIT Luxe. Next, tap on this band icon right here in the top right corner. Then tap on Unpair. Wait. And after a couple of seconds, the device should disappear from the list of devices right here in the account menu. That means that our Smartband was unpaired from our phone. And that's how you unpair this device from your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.